A shop owner with 28 years in the business sat me down and told me something I was not expecting to hear. He said 4 specific Silverado years are disappearing from the used truck market. Fewer come through his shop every single month. 3 years ago, he would see 15 to 20 of these per month on the lots. Now he sees maybe 4 or 5 total. Smart buyers figured it out. They are keeping them. And the few that hit the market get grabbed within 48 hours. If you find one of these 4 for a fair price, do not think twice. Here are the 4 Silverados vanishing from the market.
Number 4, Silverado 2003. The shop owner told me clean 2003 Silverados used to sit on dealer lots for weeks. Not anymore.
Now, a clean 2003 sells within 2 days, sometimes the same day it gets listed. Buyers are hunting them like they are treasure. Why the demand? Because the 2003 is peak GMT 800. Over-engineered parts, original engines and transmissions hitting 350,000 miles with no rebuilds. He has a customer who drove 3 hours to buy a 2003 with 280,000 miles. Paid full asking price, did not even try to negotiate.
Price today, $8,000 to $16,000. But the shop owner says in 2 years you will not find a clean one under $20,000.
Number 3, 2009, third full year of the GMT 900 generation. Every early problem had been solved by this model year already. The shop owner calls 2009 the golden window. Built after the bugs were fixed, but before GM started cutting costs on cheaper parts. His numbers tell the whole story. Only 6 clean 2009 Silverados came through his shop this entire year. 3 years ago, it was 25. One of his customers turned down a $25,000 cash offer for his 2009 with 210,000 miles. Said no without hesitating. Price today, $15,000 to $24,000. He says 2009 owners already know what they have. That is why they refuse to sell them. Number 2, 2007, the first year of the GMT 900 generation. GM built this truck to prove something to the entire industry. The shop owner told me every single time a clean 2007 hits his lot, he gets 5 phone calls on the very same day.
They never last a full weekend on the lot. Most are sold before he even has time to finish the inspection and detail the truck.
Why? Because 2007 has the simplest and most reliable setup.
Right.
Less electronics, less computers, less things that can break on you.
His best customer has a 2007 with 362,000 miles, gets offered money for it constantly. His answer is always the same, not for sale.
Price today, $12,000 to $20,000. The shop owner says for an 8-year-old truck that runs like new, that is a steal.
And number 1, the Silverado that the shop owner says is now almost impossible to find in clean condition. Silverado 2011.
5th year of the GMT 900. All problems solved. All improvements in place. 3 years before end of production. Quality at absolute peak. He told me he used to see 10 to 12 clean 2011 Silverados per year. This year, 2. Just 2 came through his entire shop.
A customer drove 400 miles to buy a 2011 with 190,000 miles on it. Paid full asking price without negotiating a single dollar.
Why? Because he had sold his own 2011 2 years earlier. Spent those 2 years regretting it every day. He wanted that exact truck back. The shop owner says 2011 is the truck people cross state lines to find. Once you drive one, you understand why nobody lets them go. 4 Silverados disappearing from the market right now. 2003, the over-engineered legend. 2009, the golden window before cost cuts started hitting. 2007, built to prove GM could dominate. 2011, the perfect sweet spot that nobody wants to give up. If you find one, grab it fast. Comment which of these 4 you would buy first if you found one tomorrow. And if you already own one, congratulations, you are sitting on gold.